Do this without spitting it.
Alright. Want me to do it? Alright everybody, this is Milo's first food. Some rice cereal. He's 6 months old. Don't like it?
Good. Here you go. You don't need me.
Take control of that spoon.
That's good, huh? Yeah.
Hooray! I think you like it.
Loves it.
Want to try another bite? Can I have the spoon?
Yeah, let Mummy do it, Milo. There you go.
There's this rice cereal.
There we go.
Ooh.
Can't wait.
God, to put it in your mouth and swallow it.
Mmm. He likes it.
Want some more?
There you go, Milo. Make it big and strong.
Hooray. What do you think?
Mmm. He's ready to move on to steaks now.